Hi, I'm Michael Crouch. I've been with the company 7 years. I've been a two-time elected rep, alternate for 3 years, and elected rep now for 4.
Michael Crouch is a station rep, big leader, like I say. He leads from the front. He's always answering people's questions, no matter what time of day. Michael Crouch really shows that not only does he care about the membership, but he cares about the membership across District 2.
I'm co-chair of FLOC. Been co-chair for 3 years. Been with FLOC since 2020. FLOC is Future Leader Organizing Committee. Bridge a gap between the senior agents and the junior agents, trying to get more involved in it with people in the union. FLOC has greatly benefited me as a station rep. I've gone and done big station visits between Denver, BWI, Midway. It gets me comfortable talking with big groups, and it's a great communication piece that I can talk to other agents in other cities. So if it's not happening to me, I know it's going to come, and then I can also give them advice on stuff that I've gone through at my station. So it's a great learning tool as well. It's a pride of mine. It just helps organize everything. So even if you take your days off, even if you take your vacations, you can come back and you know exactly where every grievance is, and you know exactly what step it's on. Help set up this for the supporting documents, so hopefully it doesn't get to that level, but if it has to go up to the district rep in Dallas, you have your supporting documents that you need, and then how you can process the grievance at a station level. Gives you a step-by-step, something I'm very prideful on, because I've always wanted a tracker system so I can come in for my days off. If an alternate helps out with a grievance, I know exactly where it is. It goes to the correlating bin, and it's just a super beneficial system for us here in Tampa.
I think having my station rep from the quarter come out of not only my district, but Tampa, it means a lot. I believe he's the first one out of Tampa to win this award, and it really means a lot that not only is he representing Tampa, but District 2.
It's beyond grateful for me. I've always wanted to win this award. I've seen it at the union office. I've seen the names involved with it, and it generally leads to great success. And it's something I've always strived for. Tampa's never won it, and I've always wanted to be nominated, and I've always wanted to win it. I'm not even gonna joke. I have wanted to win this award.
If you feel that your local rep is doing an amazing job, whether it's an alternate or the elected rep, go ahead and nominate them. Participate in this award. Try to push for somebody from your station to be nominated and recognized. I think it's always a blessing to see one of your guys from your local city come out and win this award and represent your station. We actually pick, somebody gets nominated for their hard work. Obviously, being a rep is a thankless job, and I want to just acknowledge and tell you thank you for everything you do, and congratulate you in your winning the station representative the first quarter. Respect. And again,
good job, Mike.
You put a lot of hours. I see Mike, and I see a big future in Mike. I see Mike in this position one day in the near future. So I want to thank you so much for everything you do and for the countless calls and what you do here locally in Tampa. So congratulations, my brother.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Mike.
Thank you very much for the award. I'm very proud to be a elected rep here in Tampa, second term. Like I told all you guys before, when I took over this job, I inherited 200 new families, and I try to keep you guys employed, happy, and all that. So thank you for the award.
Yeah.